Hey, it's Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and I'm excited to be back in Mesquite, Texas. We've got a great listing for you. The address is 550 Appomattox Drive in Mesquite, Texas. Hey, come on in, let's take a look. Are you a first-time home buyer looking to downsize, or possibly an investor looking for a new rental property? This adorable home at 550 Appomattox Drive in Mesquite, Texas might be the right one for you. Some of the features I love about this home is the updated, spacious, open kitchen that overlooks the large family room and fireplace. With 1,236 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is positioned on a low-traffic cul-de-sac. Additionally, there is backyard space as well. Hey, so if you have an interest in seeing this great property, contact your realtor or contact me directly. My number is 469-298-9786, and I'll be happy to set up a tour just for you. You have a great day now.